Hello there, welcome back to our channel at Ace Electricals. If you are new to this channel, in order for you not to miss this handful information when we demonstrate on how to use your appliances efficiently and to do self-fault finding, please subscribe, give us a like, comment and share. Well, in today's episode, we would like to help you make a decision to know when to repair or buy a new appliances. We're going to demonstrate that with a ceramic iron. We're going to demonstrate step by step on to know when the product needs to be repaired, or if the product cannot be repaired, you need to buy another one, a new one. Well, for you to make an informed decision of whether to buy a new iron or to repair an old one, let's first appreciate the following. So with this iron, what could go wrong with the iron is the cord. You may find that the cord is broken, it doesn't allow the power to go through, or maybe it has a short circuit. You'll see it when you plug it in, when you put it on, it trips power. The other thing that could go wrong is the switch, the main switch here. So when you switch it on, it doesn't come on, or it comes on but it's not heating. The heat is not that sufficient because it does not allow enough current or power to pass through. Then there's an element of which it's not easy for many brands. It's not easy to find a replacement because they don't have spare parts. So, but there are other brands where we are able to get spares, like Russell Hobbs, Sultan. It's easy to get from Russell Hobbs. From Clicks and ShopRite, it's not easy to get spare parts. So when do we know the element it's no longer useful, it's a waste? It's when you switch it on, the light comes on, but there's no heat. You must know that in most cases, unless if it's that iron with sensors, in most cases you must know that the element is dead. Then there's another important part within the iron. It's called a thermal fuse. A thermal fuse is made to protect your element. It regulates the heat. It knows when your element is too hot, it cuts power, and it knows when there isn't enough sufficient heat, so it kicks the power back in. So if you thermal fuse is dead, your iron won't come on at all. So that one is an easy fix. The only tricky about the iron is that they hide their screws. With other brands, it's never easy. And then other screws, they get corrosion due to leakage of water within the iron, so it's never easy to open it. So it's a challenge to open an iron. The other thing that could go wrong, which is not a problem as such, but it's a problem for those who want steam for the irons, it's if the tank for the water it's broken. So there's leakage of water, it doesn't hold water anymore. So but the heat, you can still iron with your iron without using a steam. So that way you know your iron can be repairable or not. So if it's the element, that one, you know it's not repairable unless if you are sure that you're gonna get a replacement element, you can be able to do that. But if there's no replacement for the element, so you just need to go to the shop, buy a new one, or find a guy at the corner who's selling second-hand and buy a second-hand one. Right, now I'm just gonna test the one that I have to see if it's working or the element is dead. Right, the light came on and I could hear the click for the switch. There's no heat at all, which means there's no need for me to waste my time trying to fix this iron because the element is dead. And I don't know this brand. I don't know what this brand is. Obviously, it's going to be very hard for me to get a spare part. So I'll advise this person to go and get another iron because this one is there's no need, there's no use to have this one. Lesson learned from this beautiful iron. As long as the element is dead, no matter how beautiful it is, how clean the element may seem to be, if it's dead, it's dead. If you can't get a spare part for that, no need to waste your time and emotions trying to fix this thing. No need to have people try to diagnose to find what could be wrong. You just need to throw it away as an e-waste and buy yourself another one, a new one or a second one. Another most important lesson is that there's a thermal fuse within an iron, so it regulates the heat that goes through the element. But what causes the thermal fuse to die or to go wrong is the switch. If the switch allows more than sufficient or more than enough power to go through, the thermal switch or the thermal fuse dies to protect the element, not to allow power to go through. So the cause for the thermal fuse to die is the switch, malfunctioning of the switch. So whenever you replace the thermal fuse, make sure that you clean the switch, the main switch, or you replace it. Thank you guys for joining us in this episode. Visit our website if you need a variety of appliances where you are allowed to buy online. Remember, if you need any assistance with your electronics, whether fault finding or demonstration, please comment below. Please again subscribe, give us a like, comment, and share. See you on the next episode. Bye.